That was a potted plant. And we didn't buy the house with cornices. It's just pretty amazing. So I think, as I was saying earlier, I don't know if I can get this whole thing in the shot. I don't know if I can. So the snow has been landing, and it sticks to whatever it lands on. Sides of houses, the sides of trees, sides of cars, each other. So that, by my estimation, is approximately 28 inches of snow. There's about 8, 16, 24. Alright, well, it's closer to 30. 30 inches of heavy, wet snow. Holding the camera at eye level, and the snow on top of the barbecue grill is taller than I am. Amazing stuff. Birds are having trouble finding enough food today. We are definitely feeding them. We are our own one neighborhood version of the TARP program.